Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need Manage Channels permission. Once confirmed, open the server where you want the private voice channel. Click the plus icon beside Voice Channels and choose Create Channel. Name it clearly so members recognize purpose, then toggle Private Channel on before you create it. You do this now to prevent public access by default. Choose roles or members to grant access. Pick specific users or a role. This immediate step locks out everyone else and establishes the base privacy model you'll refine next. Once the channel exists, open its Edit Channel settings and go to Permissions to refine who can join or manage it. Remove Connect for everyone to block default entry, then add roles or individual users and explicitly allow Connect and View Channel. Make sure to set Speak, Mute, and Move members appropriately. Give moderators extra rights if needed. Remember that role inheritance matters. Higher roles can override denies, so check role order. Save changes and test with a secondary account or colleague to confirm behavior. Finalize by briefly testing access. Ask a trusted member without privileges to join, then confirm they are blocked. If you want temporary guests, create an invite with restricted duration and assign a guest role with Connect permission. Make sure voice region and bitrate are set appropriately for quality. If access fails, check role hierarchy. Higher roles can override channel denies and review any category-level permissions that might be inherited. Adjust overrides or move the channel out of the category to isolate its permissions, then retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.